All right, so we got Streetcar Takeover coming up here this weekend, so we're trying to do a little bit of prep before we go. And one of the things I've been talking about that I keep wanting to do is I want to pull the wheels off the ground. And the stuff I had before, they were just big, heavy tires. I did a little upgrade, and I went with some bead locks and some front runners now. So if I can't pull the wheels off the ground now, I'm doing something wrong. So God help me, please. But I still need to. I just swapped the tires off of the wheels that I had, the welds that I had, and put them on these because these tires were shot. So I still need to go back and torque all of the bolts on the bead lock down. So pretty much like we expected, the fronts are not clearing the brakes, so we do have to run a small spacer. So we're gonna run to auto parts store real quick and grab a spacer and get these thrown on.
2 very boring minutes later.
All right, wheel spacer acquired. We already test fitted it on the other side. Fits perfect. We can throw it on this side and be finished with this stuff. All right, so it has gotten too dark to keep filming, but we're done with the wheel install. I'm just going to go around and check the torque on all the wheels. All right, so we are just doing a little bit of the last minute stuff that you should be doing a couple weeks before the race, but it's not like us to do it the night before. So Scott is fixing something with the wiring that was making it to where the
Makes it whenever you get into use the nitrous, it kicks the Lingenfelter box on.
Because before, as soon as we armed it, it was cutting timing. So yeah, we needed to wire it to wherever the solenoid's activated. That's when the box activated. So he's got that fixed now, hopefully.
Thanks to Charles.
Thanks for LSX for guiding us through that. I'm going to throw a little bit more C16 over in the nitrous tank over there. So hopefully we can not have any issues while we're out there racing. The last thing I want to do is ever run out of anything. So I'm probably not going to bring it with me. So I'm just going to top it off here. But wheels and tires are on, looking so good. But we are pretty much done now. That was all we really needed to do in the engine bay, was just fix that wiring issue. Nothing else we're really doing is going to matter other than just refilling that tank. So as soon as we're done here, I am going to get the car washed tomorrow because it looks absolutely disgusting right now. And I just got the new wheels on it, so I really want to see how they look with it all washed off. But